What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Money Rich. Guys, I just broke my own record. You wouldn't know how happy, how proud I am right now. You know, I've been so consistent to the extent that I took it upon myself and I asked myself, Smart Money Rich, you've been in this game for a while. I've been seeing what every other trader are doing, taking a small account to a big amount, trading thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars. And then I asked myself, if actually I'm as good as I thought or as good as they say I am, then I should be able to do this. Yes, Forex is for multiplying. I understand Forex so well because of my experience, because of my concepts, because of my repeatable trading system that allows me to make up to 1 to 10, 1 to 5 in a single trade, 1 to 20. I can swing, I can scalp, and I can day trade. That's what my concept allows me to do, guys. So I made a deposit of $20,000, and then I was given a bonus of $10,000, making my equity $30,000. You guys can see it up here on the screen when I made the deposit, when the bonus was given to me by the Access market, and I was able to trade this account from 21K all the way to $234,000. Guys, I did this. The reason why I'm telling you that I did this is because I was taking you guys along with me on this journey. I didn't hide anything from you guys. I was posting every single moment with you in my Telegram, Discord, and on Instagram. And I was even creating reels to tell you guys that I am doing a challenge to take this account to 100K. Now, 100K was the major target. That was my target, 100K. But I took it to $234,000. It wasn't easy, right? It wasn't easy. I didn't just wake up and achieve this thing in a month, or in a week, or in a day. It took me months. I took up this challenge in around last year. That was when I started this challenge. And I've been trading this account since last year to right now, March 2026. It didn't take me a year to do this, but it took me months because I was consistent, I was focused, and I was using what we call proper risk management. I am a very good trader, a successful trader that applies a very profitable system in my trading. So guys, I took you guys along with me on this journey so that everything can be transparent, right? So that everything can be transparent. And I was able to do this. The reason why I'm recording this video is to tell you that if I can do this, definitely you can. You just don't have to underrate yourself. You understand? You just don't have to underrate yourself. All you need to do is challenge yourself every single day. So I see a lot of traders out there challenging each other instead of challenging themselves. So I see when this guy buys a car, this guy buys a house, they challenge themselves, they take this thing as like it's fight. No, this is not a fight. This is about us trying to become better. When I see other traders do very good in the Forex market, buy a house, buy a car, break and create a new record for themselves, I'm always very happy. Because when I started Forex trading, I questioned myself. It is something I had to do because I quit my job for this. I quit my barbering job for Forex. And at some point, I lost to the extent that I always question myself. But how did I keep going? I kept going because I see those who are there doing it. Those that have been there before me, they are doing it. Habi is still doing it consistently. And you guys know how close I am to Habi. Every single moment he creates a new record motivates me. It inspires me. When he buys a new car, it motivates and inspires me. Do you understand? So in the Forex market, if you want to be successful, remove envy from your life. See everything as an inspiration. See everything as a courage to keep going and be consistent. You will definitely get there one day. You understand, guys? If I was able to do it, then you are also able to do it.
Alright guys, you can see we are running in profit. Gold is selling massively. Gold is selling. We are in profit over 80k. If you remember when I told you guys that I'm going to take this account to 100k, so it's a live account. You can see this is it. We up guys, we up 130 something k. I did it guys, no cap. I did it. Oh, like, bro, I'm so happy right now. I did this. Whoa, damn, I did this, you know. Let me close it. This kind of reversing. I did it. Whoa.
Now, when I made this profit, I posted it on different channels. A lot of people started asking me questions. What are my plans for this money? This is a huge amount of money. Am I still going to continue trading, or I'm just going to withdraw? Guys, what if I decide to continue trading? What if I decide to withdraw, go and buy a house, go and buy a big car, travel abroad, live the lavish life that every other traders are living out there? And what if I decide to withdraw this money and put it into stocks, buy a lot of stocks? Because you see me right here, I invest in a lot of stocks. I invest in a lot of growth stocks. I put money in stocks. So what if I decide to withdraw my profit and put it into stock? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Money Rich here, your favorite smart money mentor. Already you guys know that I use Access Market, and that's my favorite broker. That's the broker I'm currently trading with because they are the best right now. So there's nothing I can say about that. But if you want to give them a try, make sure to use the link in my bio. It wasn't easy actually. It wasn't easy because at some point I usually calculate how much this money that I am losing are in naira, and most times I felt like, let me just stop trading and withdraw some of the money. At some point I almost started withdrawing that money. If you can see in the account, you'll see that I withdraw $1,700. Yeah, there was a period that I was on back-to-back losses. I was on a losing streak on this particular account, and I lost to about $10,000. I was left with just $10,000 for me to blow this account. Yes, I lost at some certain points, and the balance was sitting at $10,000, and I was discouraged. Then I made a withdrawal of $1,000. And I later made another withdrawal of $700 and something. Yeah, I was trying to withdraw it, but at some point I told myself, bro, you can actually do this thing. You took this challenge upon yourself, and right now you're about to back down or give up. No, you have to take this money from this $10,000 to that $100,000. I took the challenge upon myself, and based on the experience that I have had in the market over a long period of time, coupled with my proper risk management and my sniper entry using the smart money concept, I was able to scale the account from 10k drawdown all the way up to $234,000. So right now, I actually did this. I am glad, I am happy, but I'm taking this challenge upon myself to take this account from $234,000 all the way up to $500,000, right? So I'm taking another challenge upon myself now. If I'm able to take it from the drawdown of $10,000 to over $234,000, then I'm going to take this account from $234,000 to $500,000, and that's where I'll be withdrawing. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. I'm just here to tell you that it is possible. It is definitely possible, and I'm going to make the withdrawal in your presence, just the way that I've been taking you guys along with me on this journey. I'm definitely going to make the withdrawal open because it's going to be a giveaway thing. I'm going to do a lot of giveaways. I'm going to fund a lot of guys. So if you want to be among those that will be getting your account funded, make sure you use the link in my bio to sign up with Access Market and start trading from now. Because if you are using a different broker that is not Access Market, I don't think I'll be able to fund your account because I'll be doing an internal transfer. So all you just have to do right now is to use the link in my bio, sign up with Access Market and start trading ahead of it. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Remember, in my next video, I'll be educating you guys, guiding you on how to scale your accounts from 0 to 100, 0 to 200, and how you can apply proper risk management while following this process. So make sure you turn on the notification bell, subscribe, like the video guys, like the video and drop your comments. I'm waiting for your comment guys. I'll see you again in the next video.